Good morning. Welcome. Trader to be. Hello, good morning. Red, what up? Good morning. Welcome everybody. Beautiful Monday. Beautiful new week. Excellent new week. So let's start this off, right? Let's start this off. Actually, I was already looking at my charts and seeing some levels here that could be interesting. First of all, let me jump to this 15-minute time frame. Looks better like this. We have a beautiful new week opening gap, which is, oops. Okay, so we have a new week opening gap down there at 20,909 to 878. Zach, good morning. What up? What's going on? So those are, I mean, that could be an interesting level to look for. And also we had a volume imbalance right here at 51, which should be, we should be seeing a down close candle on the 5-minute chart right here below 950, which is happening just now. What up, Zekti? What up, Yono? Howdy. An immediate bounce. Interesting. Immediate bounce. Okay. Anyway. Okay. So we just bounced up from that level, and otherwise I would really like to see price going down there, try to reprice at least some of this gap. I mean, not the new week opening gap, but this fair value gap down there would be awesome. If not, well, I guess we can see this one popping higher. We have the 21K, very close, significant level, obviously. So I'm gonna put a marker right there, and yeah. Previous day high, which is the Sunday high, could be considered as Asia high. I guess so. Right? And we'll see the rest. Least estimator, hello. Have a great week. You too. You too and everybody. All right. So that level is popped. I mean, bounced off. And we still have that new week opening gap from 909. So we'll see. We shall see. I'm checking on ES too. This is the 5-minute NQ still. Pretty much sideways action, not much happening. Not much happening. ES has still that gap. I'm gonna put a, there you go, 6,006. Can it be? Yeah, let me put an alert. Okay. All right. All right. Well, so far we're still in that range, so I wouldn't do anything as far. I mean, by the way, this is a 5-minute CB here, sell side imbalance, 5 minutes CB, sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, which has been technically repriced. Bearish order block thingy, this one on the 5 minutes, so you know, anything's possible. All right. Where can this one go? Can we continue lower? Marcella, good morning. Hey, D44. My name sounds like Sbarro. That's just pizza. I love pizza, so 2 square. Thanks, D44. Yeah, I think maybe I am 2 square. I have to get a haircut though, which I'm gonna do tomorrow. All right. Why do I have this connection issue with the DX feed here? Let me reconnect. Anyway, so this is what we're seeing, a small liquidity void here on the 5 minute, nothing special. We have some good levels and targets down there. We have no news throughout the day, so you know, could be just a huge consolidation day at the end. And by the way, I'm curious about gold. So gold is technically still bearish. It dropped quite a bit on the Sunday open. Who knows how far it wants to sweep some levels, but we'll see, I guess. But interesting open from gold right here. Okay, NQ spiking up there, might be taking out that 5 minute order block there. The high at the 972. But still inside this 5 minute CB, acting as possible resistance. So nothing special to do about it right now. Pretty much sideways action, guys and gals. Not much to do. Not much to do. Maybe it will reject it once more. But not sure. Yeah, nothing. No fair value gap here. This is the only level. We have technically the 974 as possible Asia high up there. And as for Asia lows, well, Asia low would be officially this one. The 950. That could be an official Asia low. And of course we have the market open. I mean the market's open here at Asia low. Otherwise, I think it's just gonna maybe take out this very short block on the 5 minute. You know, it's the waiting game on a slow Monday. No, I'm not saying it's gonna be slow. Actually, I had very good days on Monday. So Mondays for me were, I would say, better than the other ones. Zach, Anq stayed in Asia in 25. Oh yeah, it did. It did. And by the way, yeah, exactly. JR Mohi, hey there. Saver from Monday trading. It's a trap, yeah. I must say that, you know, I looked back into my previous weeks and months, and I'm not saying Mondays were my best, but definitely not my worst trading days on Mondays. Usually I end up break even or slight profit or, you know, whatever. But yeah, depends on your trading style and your mentality. So it's up to you. Up to the trader. What the heck is going on? The 5 minute CB is still acting as possible resistance. I'm watching the 1 minute too on my left screen. This is the 5 minute that you guys see, but obviously, like everybody wants to get back down to 909 to the new week opening gap. So that could be a possible target. But for now, nothing. For now, there's nothing. Actually, I can imagine that this one would just go up a little bit more, maybe up to the 21,000s and higher. Look at the 1 hour chart. This is currently the 1 hour. We have a fair value gap up there on the 1 hour. I'm gonna put the marker right there. Possible liquidity could be resting in that area. 1 hour CB. Okay. And other than that, the price delivery on the 1 hour was, I would say, sufficient. And so that could be also a target to go for. I might even take it long, you know, to target that 1 hour fair value gap. Why not? Why not? Especially if gold continues to edge lower, who knows? I mean, what's the distance? It's about 45, 50 points. So yeah, absolutely. Absolutely possible. As long as we're staying in this range, there's nothing to do, that's for sure. So I'm just gonna wait. Could be pushing higher. Could be. We have this level at 21,013. All right, gold seemed to be pushing higher as well. There she goes. There she goes. Let me know what you guys think. So far, it's just sideways. Pretty much seems like it. It could be like this in the whole London session. Yeah. Is this going higher? It seems like it does. Slowly. Slow grind. Gold is also slowly edging higher. Maybe wants to reprice some levels. Big picture, I'm still extremely bullish on gold, especially for next year. Should be going and continuing higher. Range Trader, welcome. Good morning. How was the weekend? Good to see you back. Range Trader, this is your time. We're in a range. Still have time until London Open. Gold is slowly making new highs. Nothing special. Just chilling. You know. Okay. All right. Weekend was great. All right. Oh, my thumb. Well, it's looking even worse when, I mean, like Friday, so it's super black still. It's about, yeah, so, and it still hurts a little bit. The doctor told me there's nothing to do. It has to run its course. So, it will come off eventually. So, there's nothing I can do, technically. The only thing I can do is, you know, try not to put too much pressure on it, and that's it. It has to run its course. So bullish on gold, especially next year. Well, because of this is only my theory, Marcelele. I have spoken to some people. No, well, I spoken. Yeah, I have. First of all, I have a very, very good friend. He's not like a day trader like we are, like especially not streaming, but he's not day trading futures, but he works at a bank. So he is a bank employee in a Hungarian bank, but he also works, his bank is working with hedge funds across Europe. So he's not at the desk where the clients walk in. So it's basically higher management. He's working at higher management, and he told me a few months ago, like 2 months ago actually, that not just his bank, but almost every single hedge fund and bank is buying every single dip on gold across Europe. That's what he knows. Every huge hedge fund and bank is buying up gold. Anytime there's a dip, it has been instructed to the hedge funds and to the banks to buy up gold. That's one thing. Also, it's not from him, but from other people who are actually trading with fundamentals, and I do respect their opinion, that a recession could be coming real soon. So they were not so much optimistic, especially not about the US economy. Hopefully Trump will make some good things going on, but a possible correction in the markets could be coming, and that could be spiking up gold as well. And we have the 3,000 number, which is a beautiful whole number, so we're going up in the long run. Insider info. Yeah, so oh yeah, definitely range trader. Yeah. It's not, I'm not saying it's Gem's information, because he also told me that they're also selling and buying intraday. So in the long run, he told me 2 months ago that all he knows, because they are in constant talks and contact with hedge funds, with other banks as well, because they're measuring who is buying how much gold, blah blah blah. And all that he said to me, it was in sometime in late September, that every single hedge fund and bank, at least in Europe, because they don't know what the US banks are doing, but everybody's buying the dips on gold, the big players. So, and they're going to continue to buy as long as, I don't know how long, but he said months. So he said definitely for the next upcoming months. And next year, he didn't say all year next year, but these banks and hedge funds are going to buy gold when there's a huge correction. So I'm gonna stay bullish in the big picture. So intraday, yeah, it can go down anytime. Yeah, sure, obviously, but yeah. Have it open some. Yeah, so Marcelo, obviously for day traders, uh, you can be absolutely bearish on gold for a session. This can change so much. These guys, the big players, are settling in for weeks and months minimum for positions. So they're not like day traders, but they're definitely buying it for the long run. So, but yeah, I was thinking to pick up gold. That's why nowadays I'm trying to look for some moves, what it does, etc. Day trading gold could be obviously a different scenario. So, all right, what is happening here? 61.58. Oh yeah. Okay, still in this range. Nothing's really going on. Small liquidity void on the 1 minute, but we're still in this 5-minute CB right here. So doesn't make too much sense, I know, but gotta wait out what it wants to do. We obviously have the new week opening gap, so let's see what it does. All right, leaving this gap right now. Relative equal highs at 966, and we have some, well, unbalanced price here and the liquidity void here. I don't know. Have to wait. Look at that. All right. Slowly started to go down here. Slowly edging lower. Might even break through this Asia low at 950. Okay, 942 down there. Okay. All right. Let's get ready, right? Gold also took some liquidity from higher, and now and could go lower. The waiting game. But seems like NQ is starting to shift bearish, which is okay, which is cool. Gotta be patient here. Patience is the key. Okay, repricing this 1 minute gap. If you guys want to go short, and I'm looking to go short as well, I would wait for price to reach the 960 area, especially if you look at the mini. Now this is the mini. Look at all these gaps. I'd like to see price going up there and try to at least reprice some of those levels before taking a huge dip down. So I'm just gonna wait. Whoa, it seems like it's not gonna wait. Might want to spike earlier. So I'm not going to engage on that one. At least not until it's not at least repricing that 960 level. Asia low has not been taken out, by the way. The 950 is still there, at least on the micro. Let's see the mini. Yeah, not on the mini. Yeah, it's still there. Okay. Going back. And as we expecting it, price should be popping above 960. Should be popping above 960, at least with the wick. And then continue. What is happening? Oh my god.
Good morning, Tom and everyone. Hope you all doing well. Smiley face. Secured $3,600 second payout with top step 13.6k in total. Here is your share, guys. A $50 giveaway.
Jesus. Reza, my man. Oh, I have no. I mean, I have no words, man. I have no words. First of all, congratulations to the payouts. Awesome job there. You are killing it, man. You're absolutely killing it. And there's really like, and guys, just like that, from Reza, for the multiple time now, a giveaway just started. Exclamation mark cash, $50 cash giveaway from Reza. Ah, my man, this is just unbelievable. And you're too kind. Thank you in the name of the community. So everybody tune in. I see some lurkers. All right. Tune in and get it. Thank you so much, Reza, and really congratulations. Awesome job there. Awesome job. Oh, here it comes. Oh, I see some people lurking in the background. All right. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for joining. Thanks for being here. Exclamation mark cash, $50 cash giveaway. It's going to be on PayPal. Hopefully you guys have PayPal. If not, we can figure it out. Look at that. Here's Tamás too. Jó reggelt. Good morning. Obviously, it was a slow Monday start for now, but we'll see what London brings us. Whenever I got payout, I did giveaway, and even not get payout, still did cause want to give you some, dude. A real gentleman, Reza. Real gentleman. That's why I said I someday, some week, I really want to sit down with you and talk about some of your. I know we talked about your entries and your model, but you know, you went into MyFundedFutures, you got the payouts multiple times. You went into Top Step, you got the payouts multiple times now. Seems like wherever you go, you just get those payouts, and I love that. Congrats. I owe you guys a giveaway. All right, I promise you guys this. I'm going to do a giveaway as well. But not today. I promise you I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow. All right? That's my promise. All right? You guys heard it. I'm saying it here on stream. I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow, so that way you know, everybody can stay, you know, in line with the stream and be here at least for the cash, you know, at least for the money. Good morning, Mo. Good to see you. And sorry if I forgot someone to say hi, but welcome everybody. Oh yeah, December 6th. Yeah, Santa Claus is coming, so we'll talk to him in a week or yeah, sure, definitely, Reza, definitely. I mean, I know you're busy and you're all over the place, but still, I mean, congratulations. Good morning, Tommy Me. Welcome, Paul and everybody. You do a good thing. Tomasz is gonna be Santa Claus. if you want to be Santa Claus, dress up like Santa Claus, jump into your Lambo and drive down here with a pack of presents. We'll do a 500 New Year. By the way, I also want to do something like that. I want to do a Christmas giveaway, which is going to be not just a $50, but a bigger one. So make sure to subscribe. Stay tuned with the stream around Christmas. I already decided that we're going to do Christmas giveaway. Mentoring giveaway. All right. Okay. Anytime. So I'm gonna do Christmas giveaway. So stay tuned. Mentoring giveaway. all right. So Tomasz is gonna do a mentoring giveaway, which is awesome, which is actually worth every penny. Reza putting Tomasz under the spot. No. All right, let's see what's going on. What is happening so far? It seems like we could be having a bearish continuation to the downside. I'm watching on both NQ and also on gold. Interesting. We might going to see this one go lower even before tapping the levels upside there. All right. All right. So it's 4. Oh, it can go lower. It can definitely go. As for gold, it's interesting. Just checking. Is there a gap of the ES? But not. Well, let me check on ES real quick. On ES. Well, the 1 minute looks like I don't even want to say. And there's a 5-minute gap at on the mini at 10.2. But let's see the micro. Obviously, we have a new week opening gap, and we also have the same gap on the 5-minute micro at 10.75. So yeah, I guess we can say that we have a gap there. Loving this community. All right. I'm the lucky one having you guys around. Let's see. All right, so far NQ is still sideways. It can go way up there. There's a gap on the mini and on the micro, so I wouldn't be surprised if it would decide to go higher and reprice that level. Wouldn't be surprised at all. Now you don't have to do mentoring giveaways is more than enough. All right. Nothing so far, nothing special. If you look at the 5-minute, still hovering. There is a gap at 960, which we were talking about. So it can still go and tap into that as it seems like it's going to do it right now. So careful with the shorts is what I'm trying to say. Technically created an equal low here. So just gotta wait. Okay, going up there, maybe to 960. Let's see. Holy Grail, what up? Hello, welcome. What's going on? I'm definitely gonna wait for the reaction at that 960 level. I think it should go up there, but you know. London Open is about 13 minutes away. Bum, bum, bum. Oops, bit of a bearish spike down there. What's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be? Let's get this money, Mitch. Hey there. Let's get this. There's definitely a bit of a bearish reaction here. It might want to go lower to take out the Asia lows. So I guess we just gonna have to wait. But to me, it seems like it can just easily go up to the 960s from here. Super easy, super easy. So might be smarter to wait for the London Open before doing anything with this. It's just ranging, yeah. Yeah, it's just range. Csipesz, jó reggelt! Minden oké. Jól vagyunk, örülök, hogy itt vagy. Welcome, Csipesz. Nissim, hey there, welcome. Welcome, Nissim, good to see you back. Oh, so far there's nothing special going around here. It's just ranging with a few gaps above 960. Unbalanced price at 962. Void at 960, both on the micro and the mini, so be careful with the shorts. And we're at the macro right now, or macro. So London Open will tell us most likely some directional move here, hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, now it seems like it wants to go higher. And everybody, there's a giveaway going on right now. So exclamation mark cash, $50 cash giveaway by Reza again. And we only have 35 people entered, so the odds are good. The divide test now. Good time, or is it better? Well, I don't know about Black Friday. No word about it yet. Maybe there's something gonna happen on Black Friday. I don't know. I really don't know. Good morning, Cosmo. Good morning. I'm promoting ProfiTrade, definitely, and I'm trading with them. I just tried to change my banner up there, and I left with Tick Trader, but I'm just stating this out. I am definitely not just promoting it. I'm gonna be trading, hopefully, for a long time with ProfiTrade. So nothing about not promoting them. So I'm gonna have to change my banner up there because so that's why it changed a little bit. I was figuring out some logos and how should I put them, and they just don't fit. So I'm just left with the Tick Trader on the left. But there's gonna be a slideshow. I figured it out. It's gonna be a slideshow because it's too much up there. So maybe today I will have some time because I was very busy on the weekend, and today I'm gonna change the banner to a slideshow. It will be much more simpler, and it's not gonna take so much space on the screen. So I think it would be better. Pips Hunter, what up? What up? Itt vagyok, hanem mindig. Hé, semmi gond, Csipesz, örülök, hogy itt vagy. Nagyon örülök neki, köszönöm szépen. Alright. What are the rules on evaluation for ProfiTrade? Well, basically, yeah, motion banner, something like that, but maybe I'm gonna do a slideshow. I haven't decided yet. So the evaluation on ProfiTrade, basically you can pass in 1 day, so 1 day pass. No rules, so no special rule. You can do whatever you want on the evaluation accounts at ProfiTrade. That's it. You can choose between the Echo, the Boost, and the Career account. Now the Career account is such a new one. I haven't even dived into all the details, but the Boost account is basically you can withdraw 50% from your safety threshold, and on the Pro or Boost account you can withdraw 90% of your safety threshold, but you have to trade it above the safety threshold to be able to withdraw from the safety threshold. Now with the Career account there's something different in there, but anyway, you can do whatever you want on the evaluation account. How long time the account review will take another payout? Usually, so because their CEO said a lot of things on Telegram about the automation. He said that it's almost completely ready. It's almost done. So whenever you request a payout on ProfiTrade, they're going to review it by the end of the week. So if you request it on a Monday, they still have, so you can wait maybe until the end of the week. It depends because they're doing it manually right now. Payouts should be next week. Basically, that's it. So, and so usually about after the payout request, the payout happens, as far as I checked with some people on the Telegram. So they're rolling out payouts now, not just Monday, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So they pay every week, but they do pay, and people got their payouts usually in about 10 days on average, 9-10 days. They're doing it manually, but they are rolling out. What's up, Mohammed? And 4 days ago, 50% of the trades before asking payout. Oh, okay. Everyone know you're not allowed to trade 5 minutes before and after the open. Market open 5 minutes. Oh, yeah. Tick Trader, the main thing, and they just changed it now. You're not allowed to trade the market open with Tick Trader, which is not an issue for me, at least. So by the way, Tick Trader is around since a while. I was affiliated with them before putting out this banner, so I had the code with them, but they've been around since a while. They do pay out people, nothing major. One announcement that they made, they don't want people to trade 5 minutes before and after the market open. That's it. Requested on Wednesday, so should be approved by today or tomorrow and being paid throughout the week. Holy Grail. Dilzik, good morning. What's going on? What's going on? Exclamation mark cash. Everybody, exclamation mark cash. So just saying, everything is absolutely okay for now, and otherwise with ProfiTrade, they're rolling out payouts 3 times a week now, and hopefully the automation is going to be much faster. But I'm gonna put their banner back to a slideshow. I'm gonna change my banner up there. How many prop accounts you run at a time using any copy trade? Yes. So right now I have earn to trade. So the banner is not even there, but I have an active subscription with earn to trade. No, Elite Trader funding. Sorry, I had an account with earn to trade too. Elite Trader funding, Take Profit Trader. I have active account with MyFundedFutures, Bulenox, Apex. So basically everywhere, even TickTick. So I have actively, none of them are, I mean, not all of them are funded. I have funded account with Bulenox, Apex, MyFundedFutures, and ProfiTrade. I still don't have a funded account with TickTick and Take Profit Trader. And I copy trade them with Quant Tower. But nowadays, I'm a little bit behind with copy trading. Hey, Maxi, what up? Yeah, Taufik, the CEO, he's a very nice guy. I talked with him too, by the way, just saying. So I'm just saying he's absolutely a great person. They talk like real professionals, so don't mistake them with fast direct trading or anything. I'm saying it. I believe that I'm completely believing that they are doing everything they can to put the automation in place. So I have no reason to doubt that they should be all right. I mean, they are all right now. So they just a little bit behind because of the lack of automation. But they are a brand new prop firm. I told that in my video too, that they are brand new. So keep that in mind. Okay, they do have every prop firm which is brand new have some growing pains, and that's it. TopStep, no, because TopStep kicked out 80% of their affiliates, actually more than 80% of their affiliates. So I was affiliated with TopStep, but you know, they just changed their policy. And oh yeah, sorry, by account, I have an account with TopStep too, by the way. I managed to get a new account with TopStep. So basically I have quite a few accounts. Oh, and Tradeify. Oh my god, almost forgot, but my Tradeify account is on Tradeawait. So I can't copy trade that with Quantower. So I have to trade my Tradeify account separately. So that's a separate account which I have with Tradeify. So I have all kinds of accounts. I'm trying to copy trade what I can. And see what's gonna come out of this. London Open, yeah. Let's see the London Open. You're still in the range. Nothing really happened right now. There's an Asia low at 950. Yeah, actually I want to. Because I didn't ask them, but I think he would be opened up for it. I think he would be absolutely opened up for a small talk, you know. Yeah, some giveaway accounts would be absolutely great. That would be good. Yes, I was reading the news and I was watching some videos. Yeah, you know, Raphael, I have no major issues with that, by the way. You know, moving into a live account and trading only that live account. So I wouldn't say it's a bad thing at all. And nobody said you cannot take payouts on your XFA account, obviously, because you can, right? So you can still trade your XFAs. You can take a few payouts from there. And if you're really good, obviously, they're going to move you to a live account. So I expect to fall at least 150, 200 points before US Open. That can happen. This 5-minute CB is still holding, and we have the new week opening gap down below at 909. So just be careful. You know how it is. We have an unbalanced price range at 962. I'm going to wait a little bit to see what's going on there. Tried to chase the gap a few weeks ago. Yeah, don't chase the gap. First, you have to be aware of what's going on here on these higher levels. And that's why I was still waiting. I could have jumped in to some positions to go short, even for a scalp. But as soon as I saw the gaps here up there, the liquidity voids, especially on the mini, I said no. I'm just not. I have to wait until the open. And it's a good thing that we were waiting, because look at that. London Open just pushing price back to that 5-minute CB. So it's a good thing that we did not jump in right away. To be completely safe for a possible short, I'd like to see, for example, an up-close candle above 966, above these equal highs. You know, up-close candle at least above there, and then maybe a reversal. Now that would be interesting. That would be something I would go by. You know. But for now, we're just back into the range. There's nothing to do with it. Mike, an up-close candle above these highs. Let me show you. I would like to see these. Let me show you. Hold on. So that right there, relative equal highs at 966, and in between, if we zoom this out, and you can see it on the mini too. This is the micro, but look at this small gap here, But first of all, you know, an up close candle, it can be the 1 or the 5 minute, but to see it closing above 966, then look for a possible short. That would be something with a higher probability. I'm not saying it cannot drop from here, but you know. Oh, TradingView promo started already. Yeah. If you guys want to have a cheaper subscription on TradingView, you can check it out. They usually do it on the annual subscription. So, yeah. Mihails, good morning. Good to see you. Smiley. Hi Tom. It's nearly the end of the month. How was your performance in the last month? Happy with it? Reaching your goals? Well, good question. This month I had $5,000 in payouts from trading, and last month was my best ever month ever. I had 8,000 something, maybe like $8,500, something like that, from payouts from trading. So my best month was definitely October. This month I'm at $5,000. The progress that I made since summer, I'm happy with it. But overall, unfortunately, I'm not sure how the December is going to go, because as I was talking about it in some recent streams, I burned my profits and blow up funded accounts, which were built up to almost payout levels this month. And it's going to be a slow grind again to push those accounts to payout levels. Let it be just, it can be Bulenox, Apex, whatever, you know. So am I happy with the results? I'm happy with the results, but I'm not happy with this month overall, because I messed up my trading very much. Very much. So I'm gonna have to do a recap video also about how much money I have spent on evaluation accounts this month. I think, despite that I have took $5,000 in payouts, I also paid for instant funded accounts, which I've blown. I also paid evaluation accounts, activation fees. So overall, not so good. So I do have to do a recap. Anyway, we're gonna do the giveaway real soon here. Exclamation mark cash if you haven't entered already. Oh, 70% off. Awesome. Thank you, Naomi. I haven't even checked it. 70% off right now. Bitcoin is also hot. Might go above 100K. I think when it's gonna go above 100K, it's gonna go like a rocket ship, maybe even to 105K or 110 or something like that. Sure, Mike. Can you help me understand what's an up close candle? Yeah, sure. So an up close candle is like a candle that has, let me extend this line. So if I'm looking at this level, I need a candle, let it be the 1 minute or the 5 minute, with the body to close higher. So let me... so I need the candle body to close higher than certain level. That's an up close candle. If the candle's body is not closing higher, and we only have like a wick, then this is not an up close candle. This is just a wick. This is that's it. So the up close body candle has actually the whole body above or below a certain level, right? So that's the difference. I need an up close candle. That's what it means, basically. Unfortunately, not on the Expert Ultimate subscriptions. Oh. What were the instant funded accounts with? ProfiTrade. I blow up my instant funded accounts with ProfiTrade. You're welcome, Mike. Anyway, I think we should do the giveaway, right? I think it's time. I think it's time. So we have 55 people entered. So I'm gonna wait for 20 seconds if you want to enter !cash. I wanted 16 chart. You ate this plastic. 55 tickets. Awesome, awesome. !cash if you want to enter. Everybody gets 1 ticket. Everybody gets 1 ticket. Marshall MMA, enter the giveaway if you haven't already. Secrets of the Unknown. Welcome. Mike, Simon. Hey, oh. Arnie, hey there. All right. Okay, 62 people. All right, all right. Sam, welcome. Okay. Marek, Don. Come on, people. I'm gonna close the entries. Like the video. Cash, let's go, guys. Let's go. Everybody gets 1 ticket. So everybody gets 1 ticket. It's $50. Tomorrow I'm gonna do another one, all right? This is from Reza. Tomorrow I'm gonna do one from myself as well. !cash. Mike, just type in !cash. Simple Sense, welcome to the channel. All right, I'm gonna wait a few more seconds. !cash, that's how you enter. There you go. And this is sponsored by Reza again. Thank you so much, Reza, again. $50 cash. The winner is getting it through PayPal. I hope you guys have PayPal. If not, we're going to figure it out somehow. All right. Let's just close this, okay? We have 76 people. I'm going to close the giveaway. All right, Mike, you got it, I think. Mike. I think I saw your name. There you go. No, that's another Mike. There you go. You have your ticket right there. There you go. You see it? There's your ticket. Mike Brighton. You have 1 ticket. So, !cash. Oh my God. More people. So you got the ticket. Okay, okay. So I'm closing it in 3, 2. I'm gonna actually close the, disable the chat so I don't see it. If somebody comes in late, I'm sorry. 3, 2, 1, closing it. There you go. Closed it. I don't see the chat now. You can no longer participate. And let's pick the winner. The winner of the $50 cash giveaway. Sponsored by Reza Banks. Again. Is gonna be no other than the one and only the best. Alright, let's pick the winner. And the prize goes to... No way! No way! No way, what the hell? I can't believe this. Ain't no way. This is like unbelievable. I'm talking with Mike here to make sure he has got his ticket, and he's the winner. Oh my god. That's you. Yeah, Mike, that's you. Mike, congratulations. I think you rigged the system. I think he's a hacker or something. What an odds. Yeah. Congratulations, Mike. Oh my god. All right, Mike. I don't know what to say. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Truly unbelievable. Let me log into the chat, and Mike, what I would like you to do is send me an email, and I'm gonna type in my email. Just a second. Send me an email with your PayPal address, and I'm gonna send it right now. All right. What a lucky guy. $50 cash giveaway. Congratulations, Mike. Congratulations. That was a nice move there. Somehow he hacked into YouTube algorithm. I don't know how he did that, but and he just like that. The congratulations, real. Just joking around. So just send me over your PayPal, and I'm gonna get this right away to you. There's my email. You have a Binance address. Oh, you don't have PayPal or anything. I don't have crypto right now. That's the problem. No, it was Mike is the winner. And by the way, I don't even. Yeah, I don't have any crypto. So. You don't have PayPal, Mike? Anything? Do you have Zelle or Venmo, whatever? You know, I don't know. Revolut, Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, any kind of Cash App, only Binance? Let me know, and or send me something, and I will get you the prize, obviously. You open up a PayPal account. Okay. Well, don't. Oh, it's all right, Mike. So don't be in a rush. Take your time. You know, yeah. I'm just thinking, how can I add crypto, but I have no way right now because my wallet is outdated. I had some crypto on it, and my application, I have to redo the KYC. So I can't buy crypto right now, actually. Or can I? Maybe we can do crypto, Mike. Maybe we can do that, but I'm not sure about the transaction fees. Do you have an Ethereum address? Ethereum? I can send Ethereum if you want. So it's not going to be a stable coin, but maybe some Ethereum. Okay. Okay, then please send me an Ethereum address, okay? And it's going to be an Ethereum. Maybe that is something I can do. It goes up anyway, so it's just going up. So maybe I can get some Ethereum for you. But first I have to buy some crypto. I have to send it to my wallet or one of my wallets. Yeah, I typed it in the chat up there, Mike. If you go up in the chat, you see I typed my email address right there. tomsabobiz@gmail.com. Whoa, look at this drop. We took out... Oh, Asia low. Was there some news? Is somebody talking? Something's happening here. Okay, nice little drop here. Finally, at least we got out from this range. Quite interesting. Just a regular European fake move. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it is. Bum, 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 bum. I was in short. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Let's see. There's an aggressive drop, yeah. Maybe there's some news about it, but I'm not sure. I don't think so. Nothing. Non-farm payrolls, maybe. Swiss non-farm payrolls. Nothing special. Nothing special. Russell didn't even move. Let me check. Oh yeah, Russell is just standing still. YM also dropping a little bit. So, well, nothing too serious, but I do like this drop as a possible short continuation to the new week opening gap. So I think I might go into take a short. You know. I took a short at 950.25 and I'm going to target, well, let me see. Somewhere down there at the 926.75. I'm just looking for a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So that's my official trade for now. Where is it? Here is it. We'll see if it drops further down. So this is my first trade for the session. Let's see what happens. Was waiting patiently. I'm glad about it. Might even go lower, but I don't care about that. I just, you know, I'm just curious if I can get a 1 to 2 risk to reward here. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. And we have the new week opening gap. Actually, I have set an alert on ES if it wants to go lower. To the gap as well, or at least take out the 6009 area. Do I have an alert here? Hold on. Yeah, I have an alert. Could be a tricky one also. Broke the zone, retested, moving down. Yeah. Not really the impulse, but so the reason why I took it was very simple. It was not just based on gut feelings, but it can also just go back, guys. So it's far from over. Look at this. It just got back to the 50% level, and that's why I entered, to maybe see a possible continuation. But look at this now. What a crazy, crazy move. Oh my God, looks terrible right now. I don't like it. And this could be the fake out move. Actually. Yeah, almost went down. What's the low on this one? 20. Hold on, the low is 2850. I might gonna move my TP to 2850. Yeah. And this one a little bit lower. Okay. I don't like this, to be honest, right now. The way it looks. Oh, look at this dirty move. It's going back. Oh, shit. I was really looking this one to go down and sweep some lows. Oh, man. Now this is a fake out. Anyway, what can I do, right? Dirty move in London. Well, if I lose this, I'm gonna be down like 11 points ish. Yeah, you should be taking your pro. Yeah, I should have. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It's too late now. Waiting for a short at 57. That could be a good area. And this is now turning into an inversion. And it can just go and take out the highs. You know, it could have been kind of like a trap or something. I don't even know. What are you SMT traders are saying? Is this some kind of a trap down there and it's going to send it higher? I think it will. It looks like it. Can still, but I don't trust it. Feels like it wants to take out the 61 now. I think I'm going to close this. I don't know. Satoshi is going along. Gaps get filled. Yeah, but when is the question? When? Dario, good morning. Good morning. Should I move my stop? TP to 50. Oh, you move your stop. Okay. The rolling through Eval downwards is trend reversal. Stop loss. Power of 3. I don't know what to think about this, man. It's a little bit annoying. It's a little bit annoying, but what can I do? What can I do? I just wanted to have a nice start for the week, but it seems like it's going to be a tricky one. I can long full port. Yeah, that's true. That's true. You know, a little bit in Asia, then fake everyone in the direction, turn around with SMT and go opposite. Yeah, that's usually what happens, the power of 3. Yeah. This was the accumulation, manipulation, distribution higher. I'm not saying it's not working out. I was just hoping that maybe, you know, this level down there could be swept before the move higher. But obviously it's not happening. Not right now. What a crazy move. Yeah. Oh, man. I don't like it. Don't really like it. The way it looks right now. Aim for the 700, 750. Well, that's a nice little distance there. Yeah. Yeah, I think so too. Thanksgiving week, yeah. Exactly. Maybe I should be taking profit earlier on these moves. I agree. I mean, I should have taken some of it down there. On a week like this. Oh man. Oh. No problem, Dario. No problem. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I know what you mean. Okay, man. I think I'm gonna have to close this. This one could have been the fake out. Alright, I'm closing it. Closed it. I don't trust this. So, closed it. I'm just not trusting this anymore, especially because of this high here at 961. So I'm out. Almost break even. Slight positive, but I'm out. It feels like this was a fake. Don't like the way it's printing. And I feel like they're gonna squeeze everybody back to the 5-minute CB up there. So I had to close. I had no choice. No, I'm not switching to long right now. I don't have a confirmation for that. It's not part of my entry model, but you know, maybe later. Custom lockout feature. That's cool. Paid the trader. I overtraded and I'm in 500 profit, but if I include commissions and $120 loss. You know, it's not a big loss. $120 is absolutely manageable. Pay the trader. No matter which account you trade on, it's okay. Secured profits in 2 accounts and lock them. Nice. Awesome. Oh my god. This time I did good. At least by closing it earlier. Congratulations for you guys who are long. I think it's gonna break the 61, by the way. The swing high. Should have known that this is a fake move here. So this one should be breaking the 61, I think. Up there. Gotta be careful. All strategies failing. You know, when you see these strategies failing, I think one of the best things you can do is just leave it for the rest of the day. So why push it, right? So, or maybe move to another account, maybe for a new evaluation or something. So you're not obligated to push it, you know. Just go a little bit to the sidelines. That's also a position. Oh my god, I'm so glad I closed it. I feel like this one is definitely gonna go to 61 right now. Yeah, right up there. Who knows? The macro is coming in 10 minutes anyway, so it's all good. Yeah, sure, no problem. If you have an Ethereum address, I can send it to you in Ethereum. There you go. Send it here. And I can send it to you in Ethereum. That's it. I have some Ethereum. I just checked. A little bit. A little bit of Ethereum. Friday I had 7 winning trades in a row. Today lost. Well, you know, it's part of trading. It's really part of the trading. Yeah, definitely. Absolutely, Marek. Yeah. Ba-ba-bum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum, ba-da-dum-bum. All right. We're just hovering here. I think it's getting ready for the macro, maybe. Done? All right. Let me check it. All right, I have it. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I think I sent it. Actually, I did. So, but it's in pending mode. Should be okay. Should be all right. All right, it's done. Being sent. What's going on with this price action now? I just can't seem to find any logic. Now it's stopped. You know. What's the gas fee on Ethereum, right? I have no freaking idea. I have no idea. I just made it like he should be getting at least $50 above. I mean, sorry, $50. You know, plus gas price. But I think I've sent like $58, $57 worth of Ethereum. So you're welcome, Mike. You're welcome. You know, you're actually lucky because that's all the Ethereum I had in my wallet. I had $58 worth of Ethereum in my in this wallet, and that was all. So currently I have nothing in this wallet anymore, which is fine. Yo, it's Trading Star. What's going on? What's up? I got a FOMO entry. Russell targeting the high. Careful with the FOMO. Doing great, Trading Star. How you doing, man? Good to see you here. Good to see you here. How is your day? Hold on, I'm checking something here. Looks like it still might want to go to the downside. Just a second. What is happening here? Is it not going for that swing high up there? Doing awesome. I'm glad. Let's go. It feels like it still wants to go up, but what the heck is it doing with this break here? I have no idea. Interesting. Enter the short again. But this will be a scalp. Nothing special, just a 1-to-1. Just to see if it wants to go down there after repricing this small gap. So I'm not risking more than 200 on this one. So this is just a short scalp. Well, it would be great, but I think I'm just gonna take this if it goes down to that 37-ish area, maybe. Yeah, I just entered to a sell, but not the best sell of my life. It's most likely a scalp. On my nose it's running. Oh, drinking long time. Well, it's that season, you know. Still holding long. Let's go. We are rejection plus Sydney high. No real test at Asia low. Okay. Well, we'll see. So I'm not gonna go for 1-to-2 on this one. I'm just actually looking for a little spike down. That is all. Actually, what I can do... No, I'm not gonna do that. To maybe... No, I'm gonna take the 1-to-1 if it goes. If not, then obviously searching for the next opportunity. Yeah, this is a funded account, Red. This is a funded. But to tell you the secret, this funded account is basically pretty much down in the negative. So it's on the, it's in drawdown. Like it has only a few $100 left on it. So yeah, not much to do with it. This one actually reached the daily loss limit once last week. And it's down below, it's somewhere around 48. Let me see. Where is it right now? At 48,695. So not the best level, but that's where it is. Oh man, I thought that we're gonna go lower. I really thought that we're gonna go lower. It's gonna take me out, man. 15, yeah, it's 4 points. Very close. Very close. Took you out of break even after being... Oh. It especially hurts when you're in profit. Oh man. And now I'm out. Now this one hurts me too. And I think it really wants to go for that, what's that level? 61-ish area up there. You know, that's the swing high. 61 point, what's the high there? 61.75, I think. Yeah. Well, tried it. Didn't work out. Nice, beautiful. Beautiful trade there. Beautiful trade there. And I'm just gonna wait for this one to take this high now. It has to. No other way around it. Then maybe I'm gonna look for something else. Might go to 960 and then drop. Yeah, could be. This high at 961.75 could be the short-term draw on liquidity. The bias for the day, everybody wants to go short, even retail, because of the gap. So everybody wants to go short, and that's why it's a little bit hard to say. I would also like to go short, you know, getting back to that gap. But it's a little bit difficult right now. It's a little bit difficult. Gotta have to wait more. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute. Stay tuned. Let's see where this one goes. All right, did we go for it? Yeah, we took it out. Nice. Now we can look for something, maybe a reversal. Or, you know, we talked about this, just might go up to that 1 hour CB up there. Who knows? That 1 hour CB can be a possible target. We're going higher, seems like it. I'm gonna wait and see. But it does seem like it wants to go higher. How far is the 1 hour CB? Like 53 points. That's doable. And it's very close to 21k. You know, because everybody wants to go short on the gap. Like I did. It might gonna squeeze it to the upside. Should fall on news now. Yeah, what kind of news we have? Nothing special. But we do have something. What kind of news that we are having here? Okay. Actually, the 5-minute CB provided a possible resistance again. Germany going to poo-poo. Hope you yeah, no problem, Mike. Anytime. Let me know. What do you always check before entering a trade? I look for some key levels. So key levels meaning fair value gaps, swing highs, swing lows. I'm looking for the key levels on the 5-minute and the 15-minute chart, most likely, and the 1 hour too, of course. And so I'm looking the key levels: previous day high, Asia low, Asia high, if it's in London, if we're in London session. So I always look for these key levels. And then if I zoom into, for example, the 1 minute, I'm looking for, well, I'm watching price action and looking for structure shifts, displacements, you know, basically that's it. The name of the game is where is the draw on liquidity? Where is, actually, yeah, where price wants to go? Where are the orders that price wants to pick up? And most usually these orders are resting below or above significant levels, like in gaps, swing highs, swing lows. That's why I'm looking for that. For example, here, technically it's a structure shift. The only reason I don't really like it is because this was only taken out with a wick. But otherwise, it's not that bad. It got rejected from that 5-minute fair value gap, still up there. Could continue lower. There's some imbalance down there. Also on the mini, volume imbalance. I don't know. Already taken a loss, so I have to be careful what I do here. Gotta be careful what to do here. Okay, this was kind of like a bearish structure shift to the downside. Took 50% off. Let's go. Still bullish. Okay. Drawn liquidity is higher. Oil shooting higher. Okay. That could be interesting. Let's see what it does. Equities opened, so we still have time from the London kill zone. I wonder where this one wants to gravitate to. There's a small liquidity unbalanced price at 36.25 on the micro. Yeah, it's somewhat there on the mini too. Nothing on the 5-minute though. So we'll see. We had a nice rejection, continuation shift, bearish candles. So for the short term, it looks a little bit bearish, but obviously it can continue higher. We never know. We never know. If we look at it on the 5-minute, we're still just ranging. You know, we're still just ranging here. Nothing special really. You know. Igen, a piacok ugye amerikai idő szerint 8-kor nyitnak, tehát 9:50, de valóban van ott egy, igen, tehát most attól függ, mit nézünk. Mit tekintünk annak. Tamás is asking, so which is the Asia low now? And I'm just saying that depends on what you refer to. Asia markets open at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard. Obviously, we can look anything after 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. I saw this in different ways from different traders. So, I don't know. I guess I can delete this level here. And this one too. But, you know, the 8 p.m. was here. Actually, where was it? So that's why I thought that we have an Asia low right there. Yeah, that could have been. But it didn't take out that level. Maybe on the mini. Did it take it out on the mini? No, not yet. It's on the mini. 31.5. 28, 29, yeah. Could be. Not sure. I don't know. Maybe, yeah. So if we consider the 8 p.m. session, so officially Asia markets open after that, we could say that it took out the market lows, this one. And, you know, that could be changing everything in this equation. And it seems like we have these equal highs up there at 66. It might want to take out currently. I think it wants to take it out. You know, what's that level? 66.50-ish area. And then maybe even continue to take that Asia high at 74. That's why I'm saying, like, everybody is married to the idea to short, including myself. I was too much into that short. And now, instead, this one just wants to keep continuing higher. Interesting, though. Also, gold. I'm looking at gold too, and we have some equal highs at 26.78. I think gold can go as well. Who knows? We have bond yield in 205 year. So that, yeah, that's gonna be some volatility. Should be. Yeah. Tips to consistency. Yeah. I would say trade small size, Mike. Small. Trade small. Go with small size. And that's one of my key takeaways. When I was going with small size, I managed to keep the accounts longer. Even when I was having some losing trades, it was easier to take the losses. So yeah. Oh, first presentation gap. Yeah, so that was which one was that? So this was the London Open here. London Open was there. First gap was here, maybe. There was a small gap here too, but maybe this one. Right there. Yeah, so this is the first gap after the open. And it seems like this one wants to inverse and shoot it higher. Yeah, let's go, Mike. You guys were short from here. The question is, what's it doing right now? It seems like it's inverting the price and shooting it up there above 66, maybe even 74 to previous day high. Interesting, right? Yeah, New York will do another one. I was watching this, by the way, as well on my previous trade, which I lost. I was watching it on my other screen. So I saw the rejection from this gap. I thought that, okay, this one might just gonna go down really nicely. And it didn't. It just got inversed. And, well, it was a trap for me, obviously. It was a trap for me. So now let's wait what it will do. Just a second. Let me check something. Alright, nothing. Nothing special. Okay. Now it's going for that equal high up there at 66. Nem tudom. Egyszerűen mára volt egy-két loss. So Tamás is asking why I didn't trade this, because I suffered $200 loss on this funded account with this trade, and so I want to save some ammunition for the New York session too on this funded account, and I don't know why. Maybe that's why. I don't know. Wow, 18K payout from Venom. Congratulations. That's huge. GG. Yeah. Awesome. Wow. That is awesome. Congratulations, guys. Yeah, looks like gold is going up a little bit. Yeah, and it just took out. Did it take out? Almost. 66.50 area. Was close. Oh yeah. Was very close. It didn't actually go through it. Still down there. How far is it gonna go? That's the question. It can go. I think it touched the 66. Yeah, with one tick. Went over. And now, is this turning around or something? I don't know. Here's that gap. Okay, so we have a imbalance, or maybe we can call liquidity void down here, but only on the micro, on the 5-minute. So not all that significant, but we have it here. Maybe it wants to go down there, I don't know. Yeah, this gap is pretty much holding price right now. Didn't go for the equal highs. Right there. So now it almost made like 1, 2, 3, 4 times equal highs. Yeah, that's the key gap here. This one. This one is definitely the more important one than the others. This. Price definitely reacting to this area here. Are we gonna trade through it? Or is this gonna hold? Still have time from the kill zone. So all is good. All is well. Okay, seems like a little bit spiking through it. Not too much. Account with Take Profit Trader? Yes, I have account with them. Singularity, what up? What's going on, man? What is this doing right now? Whoa, look at this. So much for this level. It's just spiking through. There's a unbalanced price at 51 or below 51. That's why I put it there. It's on the 5-minute. Might want to go down with the down close candle to that area. Looking to move as France now, wanting to also start. Oh, really? Come on. Oh, I mean, oof. They really want to do that? Oh, man. That's bad. That's very, very bad and sad. We're back to the gap. Persze, segítenek. Még nem néztem annyira át, de segítenek. Ja. We also had a gap down here. A small 1-minute rejection from that area. Pushing back up. Could be finally a continuation higher. Stuck in this gap. And we're just going sideways. This is called the sideways game. Mm-hmm. It's the sideways game. We got some payouts with take. No, not yet. I got payouts with Bulenox, Apex, MyFundedFutures, TopStep, and I'm still building my account with Take Profit Trader, ProfiTrade, Elite Trader Funding, Tick Trader. So I have some evaluations that I'm still working on. I should narrow it down, by the way. I think I have to do a recap video to show you guys my accounts in detail. Most of my payouts came from Apex and Bulenox, but I'm still looking to push it. I mean, definitely one of my goals is to push it with Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures. Oh man, NQ is unplugged again. What's happening here? Yeah, Monday it is, but I mean, sometimes we do have some good moves on Mondays. We tend to have some very nice moves on Mondays. Why is it not happening now? Why is the market doing this to us? We used to have such a beautiful Mondays. Well, for now, it seems like this gap is giving up. But let's see. Okay, breaking lower. Yeah. Yeah, it's technically a bearish gap. Yeah. And we have this unbalanced price below 51, should be going down there. So I'm waiting for my next move here. End of day drawdown is basically so for example, if your drawdown is $2,000 and if you make $500 on a day, for example, then at the end of the day, the prop firm is going to move your maximum loss limit or drawdown according to the end of the day balance, which means, for example, if you started with a $50,000 account, your maximum loss limit obviously starts at $48,000, right? I mean, that's where it's set up to. So if you finish with $50,000 and $500, the next day, I mean, at the end of the day, the prop firm is going to push or trail your maximum loss limit to $48,500, and so on and so forth. Now, if you have a negative day, for example, the next day you lose your $500, your trailing drawdown remains the same. So it's going to follow you as long as you are closing positive balance, but it's going to lock in after a certain amount. Most of the prop firms are going to lock you in to $50,000 for a static balance, and when you reach, for example, $2,100 or $2,600 or something like that. Yeah, VDL stops at 90%. These prop firms are going to stop trailing at 50,000 and 100. Don't ask me why the 100. I have no idea. But 90% of these prop firms are stopped to trail at 50,000 and 100. So what I mean by that is, for example, if you make $3,000 in profit on your account, then the prop firm is going to stop trailing at 50,000 and 100, and that's going to be fixed. It's not going to be moved up anymore or down. It's going to be locked in at 50,000 and 100. So from that moment, your account basically turns into a static account, static drawdown account, and that's it. So, but the end of day means that the prop firm is going to measure your balance at the end of the trading day. That's it. While the intraday drawdown is going to measure, you know, as it says, during the day. So for example, if you have a $1,000 trade in profit, and if you're not going to close it in $1,000, so you wait for it to pull back and you close it with $500, then still your trailing stop is going to be moved with $1,000. So it's going to look at the highest watermark throughout the day when your balance was, or equity was. So that's why many people don't like the intraday trailing. It has its advantages and disadvantages, but yeah, I have no issues with the intraday trailing drawdown. I think it's perfectly fine. I got used to it by now. So obviously, mathematically, it's easier a little bit, and that's why the end of day drawdown accounts are a little bit more expensive to go with an end of day trailing. Mathematically, it's easier than dealing with intraday stop loss. But if you go for base hits, you're going to be just fine. Yeah, let's look into that. They do want to increase your slippage. Oh, time for a nice gold trade. Nice. I entered to a gold long, by the way. I just entered to a gold long. I can actually show you. There you go. Oh, I hate this. It's so crappy. It's not updating the chart correctly. Look at this. It's not updating the chart. Maybe if I disconnect. I have to reconnect. And it's DX feed, so I don't know. Am I funded? I'm funded with the Bulenox, MyFundedFutures, Apex, and the Top Step, and where am I funded? I blew my ProfiTrade funded account, unfortunately. So currently Bulenox, Apex, MyFundedFutures, and Top Step. But I'm working on the Take Profit Trader account to get funded as soon as possible, and going with Tick Trader. I have an evaluation with Elite Traders too. My biggest goal is to go for Take Profit and MyFundedFutures right now. For intraday, you have to take profit when you see profit. Yeah, so you have to go for base hits. Yeah. Exactly. I don't know what's wrong with the chart here. There's definitely something wrong with the chart. So I'm in a long position. There you go. I'm in a long position with 4 micros. I'm in like $12 of profit, but it's not showing up on my chart as you see it. I don't know what the heck is going on, but I entered the long at 26.74. That's it. But the chart is not updating. It's weird. It's weird. I don't know what to do. So I'm blind currently on this trade. I mean, I have the orders set up. Let me check. So here's my take profit and stop loss levels. Sell limit is at 76.7, and my stop loss is sorry, yeah, 26.76.7. Stop loss 26.71.3. But I don't see the chart. Yeah, I might gonna type in again. Chart. Is the same. It doesn't show. It doesn't show. Maybe I can try to restart. No. Oh, here it is. Fine. Never mind. Everything is good. This is my trade. It wasn't updating. Okay. Now you guys can see it. So I'm sitting in this gold trade now. Let me update this properly. Okay, now I can see it properly. All right. I know what was the problem. I was choosing. Okay, this is it. Now it's good. Now it's okay. So that's my gold trade. It's not a big trade, but you know, it is what it is. And we just took out these equal highs on here. They prefer a hard breach on daily loss and funder accounts makes it hardest. It's just in your head, but yes, it's hard to deal with it. Obviously, you have to watch out for your limits. And if you're using Rhythmic Trader, you can actually set up a manual or automatic intervention. So you can just set it up for example, if the drawdown is $1,100 or 12, I don't even know which one on the 50K, you can set up Rhythmic Trader Pro for auto liquidation at $1,000. So you can go with a $1,000 auto liquidation, and if it's not used or something, you should be able to get out from the position if something goes bad, because Rhythmic is going to take you out. Just a small little tweak that you can do with Take Profit Trader. You can go with $1,000 daily loss with Rhythmic. It's gonna close you out, whatever you do. Tips for scalpers: have a system like backtest an entry model that you really like, and make sure to have a proper edge. And if you're scalping, first of all, start with small and see if you can go for base hits, and make sure that you have a proper entry model. You have to be precise on your entries, and practice, and a lot of backtest. ES2K Asia high. Yeah, let's check it. Yeah, seems like it did. Again, one long for a day keeps the 9 to 5 away, right? Zip. Oh, let me see, where's my entry? Almost at the same entry, you and me. Almost the same entry, but I don't know how far this one's gonna go. Feels like it wants to go, but you know, gold is a little bit tricky. There are some good levels up there, obviously, but I was really hoping that NQ will give us something here in the London session, but it was real tricky and I messed it up big time. Igen, azzal kellett volna. Trading gold finally. Yeah, Judith. Yeah. I want to pick up. I told you guys I want to pick up gold. And you know what? That's it. If it takes me out, it takes me out. Oh no, look at that. I move my stop, it moves to my stop. Nice. You know what I can do? I can still like put it here. And you know, this way, if this was a trick move, then if it trades below my level at 2672, then obviously it wasn't a good trade at all. But at least I lowered my risk. Yeah, base hits. That's the key, Satoshi. That's the key. I realized that too. many times I go back to square one and I realize, oh my god, I have to go for base hits, because those base hits are taking me to payouts. And I'm glad I can say now that I talk from experience. What I realized, and one of my takeaways from the past few months when I reached payouts, is those accounts that I was going for base hits, those were the accounts that managed the payouts. The accounts that I was chasing levels and trying to go for home runs, those accounts suffered a lot, didn't made it through. But those ones that were just base hits, slowly but steady, they reached that payout level. And I can tell you that from my own personal experience. That's how it happened with me. Obviously, it can happen differently with you guys, but you know. How do you commit to take profits? I usually exit a trade too early. It's hard, but I have an entry model and quote unquote system. I try to hold on to the winners more. So sometimes it's hard, but I have a lot of data and backtesting, and I look back on my results and I've seen that you know, I made a lot of mistakes by not holding on to my winners. And so that's how. So for example, at the early days, when I saw this trade moving into a small profit, boom, I just closed it. You know, 2 points profit or one few ticks, boom, closing it. But now I don't care. I'm just gonna, I'm trying to learn to leave this to my profit level. Because of your fear. Yeah, the fear is the problem. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly, Satoshi. I know how it is. I know. FTT made me realize to go for base hits because of the 20%. Yeah, and by the way, the 20% consistency rule wasn't all that bad. So it wasn't all that bad. Everybody's like, oh, it's. I'm not just talking about fast track trading. Other prop firms have 20% consistency rule as well. I think Tradeify has 20% consistency rule. ProfiTrade has 20%. Guys, I think it's great. I think it's great because that actually shows the traders that you don't have to do it all in one day, because that day when you wipe out your account can come super easy. So if you just go with step by step, it actually can force you, it's forcing you to practice proper risk management. But anyway. Yeah, teaching the ways. There you go. You have a new student, Tomasz. What happened to Fast Track Trader? Well, they did the rock pool. They did the rock pool and they just went under and they disappeared like tears in the rain. Yeah. Yeah. They deleted everything. Website, Twitter, Discord, everything. Everything. Like it never existed. They did it like they were never existed. Obviously, some smart people made some screenshots. There you go, TP. Oh, just a second, guys. I'll be right back. That was my lunch. My lunch arrived. A little bit early, I must say. It's only 11. But the lunch is here. Welcome home. Yeah. Stick to the plan. That's the key. By the way, Tradeify still has the sale for instant funded accounts. I don't have the custom code yet. They said they will work on it, but if you would like to get a you would like to get an instant funded account or get the best deals right now with Tradeify, you can click on my link to support the stream and use the code Turkey right now. Because of Thanksgiving, they're using the code Turkey. So that gives a bit of a credit to the stream. For lunch, how do I translate this? How do they pronounce it? I don't know how to pronounce it. Cauliflower cream soup, right? Cauliflower cream soup. And yeah. And for the main food, I have. Oh, it's not that. Okay, so this is the main dish. I can show you a picture. This is the main dish I'm having today for lunch. It's called Hungarian, it's called hentes tokány, but anyway, this is the main dish, and cauliflower cream soup. All right. Thoughts on ProfiTrade 25k direct to funded expert 25k profit split? I'm not understanding what they mean 25% profit split. Yeah, that's the new career account, I think, what you're saying there. And it's for those traders who want to let me look at it, because I have it somewhere here in the description for myself. Just a second. Oh man, where is it? I had a I think those accounts, so the 25% profit split is in the threshold, and I think you don't have to reach the safety threshold on the career account, but I have to look into that. but the price for that you have to pay, yeah. So in order to be able to withdraw before reaching the threshold, I think that's the profit split. Honestly, I haven't really looked too much into it because they came out with it last week, and I haven't looked into it over the weekend. And it has something about to push traders to live accounts, but so above the improving accounts, withdrawals threshold record. Oh no, they must reach the threshold. Sorry, I made a mistake. Sorry, chat. Sorry, everybody. But why is it good then? It has the consistency of 30%. It has the inactivity rules. Oh yeah, because it goes to live account. So the career accounts are being built up. So the profits that you maintain that is going to go to a live account. Okay, so basically that's it. I'm sorry, I'm just I haven't really dived into the details with the career account. Yeah, but I was wrong at the eligibility, so you still have to reach the safety threshold. So I was wrong again. I'm gonna read more about it because it seems like that's their way to push traders to live. Chelsea, good morning. Admirals, what up? No, they pay out every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Satoshi. I actually talked in private chat with the CEO too. And I talked on Telegram with some people, and they're rolling out payouts Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, even on Thursday. They're doing it manually. Automation should be coming. They promised it this week, or at least they said in a few days. But I absolutely don't think that the same situation is going on with ProfiTrade, and I won't think that because they just keep on paying out people. I'm not paid out yet, but I know traders who actually got paid out. The average payout window, even that they're behind, but they're doing it manually, is about 8 days. Let's just say 10 days. So you submit your payout, you should be paid out next Monday by originally. But since they're doing it manually yet, you can expect to pay out anytime somewhere the next week. So for example, if you submit your payout on a Monday at ProfiTrade, you should be getting your payout by the end of next week on your Rise account, okay? But they do pay out. There's no issues yet, and CEO said 98% is the approval rate for now. It's a new prop firm, and I'm still going to trade with them. Yes, they're paying 3 times a week. That's what I'm saying too. They really do pay, and you can believe me or don't have to believe me. I'm checking them almost every day, ProfiTrade, and I have absolutely zero issues. The problem, I blow up my funded account because I'm an idiot, but I'm going to keep on trading with them because I like the idea how they're doing the business. I like the rules because it sustains the long-term business model that they want to do. I think the CEOs are, really looking for the long term, not like that's Scott. What's his name? Scott, Scott Trieste. absolute, I don't want to say anything bad, anything. I was an idiot too, and I take the blame if you guys are saying how could I promote Fast Track, because I was. But when I started with ProfiTrade, I told everybody, even on my description video, that was what I started with. It's a brand new prop firm, so keep that in mind. Only put profits or only put payments into this prop firm by knowing that it's a brand new prop firm. But I like the business model. I like the thing that they outlined for the future. I like that they are outside the European Union and the US jurisdiction, which doesn't mean anything special because prop firms can go down anywhere in the world. But I still like that they're doing business outside that. I told you guys months before I will be looking for a prop firm outside US and EU. So I found ProfiTrade, and that's it. I'm not saying they cannot go down, because obviously they can. But, you know, anyway. Everybody has PTSD since fast track trading, obviously. Everybody still has PTSD from that situation. By the way, does the chat still working? Because on my end it said reconnecting. Okay, it's working. I see Singularity typing. Okay. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Oh, I wasn't aware of Friday. I saw people posting that they got paid. So, yeah. Did you keep your money from the Eval going to be on ProfiTrade? Did you keep your money from the Eval going to performance account on ProfiTrade? I don't understand. Yeah, FTT, no, Tamas, you're wrong. FTT was a piece of shit, unfortunately, and I also fell for it. Not just a YouTube streamer and affiliate, but as a trader too. There was red flags. First, I didn't see the red flags because I thought the business model is brand new and everybody's going to jump the bandwagon and they're gonna make a huge deal in the prop space. So I didn't see the red flags first. And I also traded with them, and right? But after the promises of the CEO, more and more promises that and some other things, I saw the red flags, and what can I say? Anyway, I hope we don't see these things happening too much in the future. The problem, I think, that the price was too cheap. The price was too cheap, first of all, for the accounts. It was very cheap. And the second big problem is that there was no cap on the profits. They should have capped on. They should have have a cap on the profits that the traders make. So for example, they were letting some traders to make $100,000. That's way bad. If you have simulated trading accounts only, you're doing a very bad thing by not, capping up the profits somehow. If you're doing a prop firm, you have to push those people to a live account as fast as you can, because that's going to be a huge risk. They were having traders managing up to $50,000, $100,000, $150,000, $200,000. Obviously, those accounts are a huge liability for the prop firm. They should have kept those profits somehow and pushed them some way, so that the base agreement was an issue. Anyway, we can talk about it. It's in the past, so who cares anymore? Eval balance 25K to, let's say, did you start it? Oh, no. I didn't start at 26,500. I started from 25. I started from 25, John. They banned a ton of traders for cheating, it seems. Reading in, yeah, they did. Yeah, those individuals who are abusing the system are appearing everywhere. That's why the flipping rule, that's why all that small technical things that they're trying to implement to protect the profits. Pablo, what's up? Long NQ on the test. Well, we shall see. They have the tick experience, yeah. And they are taking time to verify. Yes, exactly. FTT was a failure, but they opened the doors. Yeah, exactly, FX and Trophy. So they were a failure, but other prop firms started to see like, oh my god, a lot of people are willing to put even more money into a funded account. They opened up the, how do they say it, Pandora's box, you know, because the other prop firms started to see, okay, a lot of people willing to pay more money to jump into a funded account, which is, by the way, of course, it's a simulated funded account, but if you really think about it, I said this 1,000 times, it's also just an evaluation account. Yeah. So if you really think about it, an instant funded account is also just an evaluation account. And I'm going to repeat that one more time. An instant funded account is just an evaluation account. Okay, let that sink in. It's only an evaluation account. People even putting in fraud chargebacks. Yeah. Failing evaluations. Yeah. I really hope, because I don't know that, because they're using Stripe. And Stripe is a huge credit card provider. And it would be a bad situation if Stripe would kick out ProfiTrade because of these chargebacks. None of these huge credit card providers like to do business with companies that are having chargebacks, because it's not good for the card provider as well. They have to deal with these stuff. It drains down their system, their resources to do all these chargebacks. So I hope that Stripe is not going to kick ProfiTrade, because Stripe is a great provider, very good, one of the biggest ones, and I hope that they can do something about the situation. Yeah, FTT had no rules. Yeah. Copy trading them with PA accounts, making it more easy to add 5. Oh, yeah. Nice going there. Nice going there, John. So just saying, if you buy yourself into an instant funded account, that's great. But don't forget that you still have to reach the threshold. Okay? And that's basically an evaluation criteria. So I don't know what's going on with NQ right now. I'm starting to get this vibe that it wants to break that Asia high sooner or later. But I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. Anyway, guys, I think this is it for me, because I exited my gold MDA. MDE. Sorry. I think I'm going to call it here, ladies and gents, because it might take out the Asia high, but I'm not going to wait for it. I don't have an entry. So thank you, everybody, for watching. I'll be back for the New York session, obviously. So hopefully some of you guys can join me again. And wow, and 8berry, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Well, I'm just going away, but make sure to join a New York session. Thank you so much. And so I'll be back. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes. It works everywhere. The code is tomsabo, works Bulenox 75%, take profit, no activation fee, Apex 1-day pass 80% off. MyFundedFutures, you can start as low as 76 with wire transfer, $76 as if you go with crypto or wire transfer. Or the milestone accounts, which is the instant, is still under discount. Check it out. Tick Trader, instant funded account, check them out too. And the rest of them are in the chat and the description. ProfiTrade, Tradeify, everything's there. Tradeify has the code Turkey. I don't have the custom code there, but click on it if you would like to. Thank you so much, everybody. See you guys in the New York session, all right? Be safe. God bless you all.